Hi, let me show you an exciting new way to build high quality, well researched newsletters. Go to news.texify.ai and head to the newsletter section. Here, for a query, you can type what are the latest trends in the automotive industry, cover both international and domestic trends, also focus on other allied industries like maybe manufacturing and energy. For length, I'll keep it at 500 words. Newsletter topic, I'll keep it as automotive insights. Learn the latest trends in the automotive industry with our newsletter. The cutoff date tells us what date after which you want the latest news articles. I'll keep it as July 4th. The name of my newsletter is the company is Auto 101. We make the best auto parts. For the newsletter tone, I'll keep it as friendly. It takes about 1 minute for the newsletter to arrive, and we should have it right here. Automotive Insights, learn the latest trends in the automotive industry with our newsletter. Here you can open the first news article. It talks about trends in the automotive industry, such as global EV market dynamics. We can also look at multiple other news articles it covers, such as EV battery manufacturing boom, smart mobility infrastructure in India, automotive employment challenges, and investment in tire manufacturing. I can open this link and it will take me to that article here. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thank you.